Before running your first sample of the day, you'll be prompted to complete a flow calibration, a system suitability check, and a negative control. Together, these steps take under 45 minutes, and conveniently, your first sample can be set up to begin its initial incubation during this time. This means your first result of the day is ready in approximately 60 minutes, with each successive sample completing in under 20. Every assay begins the same way, entering your sample information into the software, including the assay name, assay volume, and prepared volume, with the option to add notes for future reference. 2 easily accessible onboard incubators allow for quick and efficient sample setup. Always practice good aseptic technique when handling the sample bottle, removing the cap only when necessary. The first reagent, reagent A, is added to buffer the sample matrix, creating a suitable environment for the subsequent dyes to interact with their target analytes. The required volume for each reagent is clearly displayed on screen as the software guides you through every step of the preparation process. Reagent B introduces the dyes needed for particle enumeration. A mixture of proprietary stains work in combination to differentiate living microorganisms from non-living particles. These dyes require approximately 15 minutes to bind to their targets, and since the optimal temperature for this process is 37 degrees Celsius, the sample is returned to the onboard incubator for the duration. Once incubation is complete, reagent C is added as the final preparation step. This reagent acts as a quenching agent, neutralizing any unbound dye remaining in the sample matrix. By reducing this background noise, a greater signal-to-noise ratio is achieved, improving the clarity and accuracy of the analysis. The distinctive blue color of this reagent also provides a helpful visual cue, allowing you to see exactly how swirling the sample effectively mixes each reagent together. With preparation complete, the sample bottle is placed onto the sample stage, and step complete is selected, automatically initiating the analysis. Results are reported as biotic counts, abiotic counts, and biotic counts per milliliter for each assay. All previous results are stored within the Results tab and can be easily exported.